Hi, this is Tim Moran here to tell you about my Civil War unit project. We're going to take a look at a couple technology tools, Sutari as a learning technology tool and Socrative as an assessment technology tool, and how we can use these in a class. So let's take a look. The first technology tool, Sutari, like I said, is a learning technology tool. This would be great for a project like I would be looking to do with students presenting to the class. So if each student was assigned an event of the Civil War, I have an example up here. It's called fake news, and this is what Sutari looks like. These are called presentation timelines. You can put them in presentation mode, or here, for the sake of this, it's a little easier to see if we just scroll through the timeline. But you can see there's um, some great polls and questions. It's a very interactive presentation. So while a student was presenting their timeline about their events of the Civil War to the class, they could have it interactive. So there's questions and polls and quiz questions and things like that up here that they could use within their presentation to make it interactive for both the presenter and the people being presented to. And within Sutari, you can use all sorts of other apps like Edpuzzle, any Google app, things like that that you can embed and put onto that page. So it's a great tool for presentations. It's very collaborative too, so it can be group work, and it's very easy for. It appears to be very easy for multiple students to be working on the same one together. So now let's take a look at Socrative. Socrative is an assessment tool. It's great, like it says here, at the speed of learning. There's immediate feedback, so teachers and students can see exactly where students are thriving and where they're struggling a little bit, as ways for then students can go back and kind of reteach themselves, find more materials and things like that, which for a project like this would be great because they would have all these presentations to be able to go back through and look at after taking an assessment. So there's reports and things like that. This space race is a cool review game for students. They can play by themselves or as a team, and they're competing against other teams to see who can answer the most amount of questions correctly in a certain period of time. And then if you look here with the activities, there's all sorts of different questions. So there's quizzes, exit tickets, multiple choice, true, false, short answer. So it's not just the multiple choice aspect, but students also have the opportunity for short answer, and they can be pretty long answer too. So it can essentially be essay as well. So there's a ton of different ways to assess students, and like I said, there's that immediate feedback aspect to it as well. So there's a couple technology tools, Socrative as an assessment and Sutari as a learning technology tool.